Samsung releases another smartphone that is called Samsung Galaxy W23. This is a foldable smartphone and has amazing features. Let's discuss this phone's specifications. The most recent smartphone features an octa-core Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 895 5G processor to strengthen the device. To save every data, this smartphone is coming with 16GB and 12GB of RAM variants. There are two internal storage options, 256GB and 512GB. The mobile device's rear camera has a 108-megapixel wide-angle lens plus 32-megapixel telephoto lens and 12-megapixel ultrawide-angle lens with geotagging capabilities. This device has a 16-megapixel under-display selfie camera and cover camera is about 10-megapixel wide-angle lens. The smartphone was given a foldable dynamic AMOLED display and dynamic AMOLED 2x 7.6-inch cover display with 1768 by 2208 pixels. Phantom black, phantom silver, phantom green are the possible colors for the mobile phone. The Adreno 650 GPU sensor provides us with excellent visual experience. Additionally, it has Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi and GPS. It has a 4500 mAh battery loaded. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for receiving notification of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.